Studying abroad under a fully funded scholarship without TOEFL or IELTS certificate is one of the greatest fear of international student. So without having that, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you the best scholarship in France provided by the government that provide international student fully funded scholarship, and I will share with you the benefit of this scholarship, step by step application process, what are covered also by this scholarship, and most importantly, when is the deadline and how to apply, because it is not directly a student application but institution application. So it's a little bit complicated for some people who have never got to know about the scholarship, but I would like also to share with you some mistake that you should avoid, and also tips that you can use so that you get this fully funded scholarship. If this is the first time you watch my video, I invite you to watch the other videos. I have multiple videos uploaded here and multiple playlists about scholarship in Indonesia, scholarship in the US, scholarship in other European country, and also Canada and throughout the world. Okay, so I also invite you to join my WhatsApp group where I share tips and answer questions, and also you can connect to other scholarship seekers and get update. And also kindly invite you, of course, to subscribe and also share this video, because if not, you will not be able to see my next video. Okay, so let's start directly. As you see, the name of the scholarship is France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship Program. Okay. So as you can see here, they say the call for 2024 is closed. So this scholarship is closed for 2024, of course. So the next call for application 2025 will start in October 2024. So guess what? We are in October 2024, and this is the time where the scholarship will be open. So I would like to make this, I decided to make this video right now so that to help you get ready before everything is done. Okay, because I would like you to make sure that everything is provided to you so that you directly apply and you get this scholarship. Okay, so usually the application start opening of call for application is week of September, deadline of reception is January, and also publication for result is week of April 2024. However, the most important thing that you should know is that the scholarship will start in October, okay, this month. So what you need to know first is that you cannot directly apply to this scholarship because this is a government scholarship, and you are going to apply through the institution that you choose. This institution will apply for you, and I will show you how to do this. Okay, the first thing, as you can see here, you are a student interested in participating in this Eiffel program, then you click here. Okay, I will use the link, I will leave the link of this website so that you go through it and you understand it. Try to make sure that you stay until the end, because some people just leave questions under the comment section and they say they don't understand, but I share everything within my inside my videos. Okay, so make sure you listen and also stay until the end of the video. The first thing that you need to know is that this scholarship is a government scholarship developed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The France Excellent Eiffel Scholarship Program provide annual training for future foreign decision maker in the public and private sector in degree program at the master's and doctoral level. Okay, applications are submitted exclusively by French higher education institution. You see, exclusively. So first, if you are someone who would like to get a scholarship for undergraduate study, this video is not for you. Don't waste your time. Go to the other video that I have already uploaded on the channel here. You can find a scholarship that match your profile. Okay, so if you are a student who would like to get master's or doctoral scholarship, you can stay until the end of this video. Okay, so first, as I told you, is developed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So the areas of the scholarship, as you can see here, the two main disciplinary for the France Excellence Scholarship covering the following areas of studies for the master and doctoral student. The first one is biology and health, ecology and transition, mathematics and digital, engineering sciences. For the humanity science and social sciences, we have history, French language and civilization, law and political science, economic and management. Okay, so management is my field. So these are the programs that are covered by this scholarship. So after that, the level of study, as you can see, a French higher education institution will submit candidate to the excellent scholarship Eiffel program, agree to enroll them in courses leading to a master's degree. Okay, so this is not an undergraduate scholarship, but rather a master's degree scholarship in an engineering program or in a joint doctoral program. If you are also someone who already got his or her master's degree, you can apply to this scholarship. Okay, so the duration of the scholarship is the following. For the master's level, a maximum of 12 months when enrolling in master's 2. You can enroll master's 2 or master 1 first year or second year of master. It's possible, okay? So if you are applying for the doctoral program, the scholarship is 36 months for the completion of an engineering degree. Okay, sorry, for the this is for the engineering program, 36 months. Okay, if you want just to apply for the second year of masters, you will just have 12 months. If you are applying for the first year of master's degree through this scholarship at the university of your choice, you have 24 months of scholarship. Okay, so the excellent Eiffel scholarship is awarded for a period of 6 to 36 months starting on September 1st of the year of the scholarship is awarded. Take the doctoral scholarship. So every year, if you apply, for example, in October this year, from your university, they will submit it to the government, and by January, the reception of the universities will be over. And then in April, they will shortlist the candidate who applied 2025. So after that, if you are admitted, you will go to France in September 2025 to study. So what are covered for this scholarship? Okay, so the first thing is like the Master's French Excellence Scholarship holder receive a monthly allowance of 1,181, to which is added several services. So this 1,181 is the monthly allowance for the master's degree only, and after that the order added several services. For example, the international transportation. This is the flight ticket for this for you to go to France. Okay, the national transportation within when you arrive and also until your university. You will have insurance, you will have housing services and cultural activities and a lot more. So as I told you, this is a full scholarship. Okay, so the doctoral level, the France Eiffel scholarship received a monthly stipend of 1,800 euro since 1st of January 2025. So to which it is added also the same thing: international transportation, national transportation, insurance, houses, and insurance. However, for both elements of the program, tuition fees are not covered by the France Excellent Eiffel scholarship. So this is something that you need to know before applying. The scholarship does not cover the tuition fees, but in France, you have to choose the university which has the lowest, for example, tuition fees, because what you will be paid monthly will help you to cover the tuition fees. Okay, it will help you directly to cover the tuition fees. It's not like a big deal. That's why it's very important right now to get in touch with the university that you are interested in and tell them that you would like to apply for the scholarship. I will show you how to do this also. For the first step is you need to contact campus France in your university, in your country. So almost every country has campus France department in their country. Okay, so you need to contact them and tell them that you would like to apply for the France Excellent Eiffel Scholarship Program 2025. Okay, they will guide you, they will help you to make your application stand out. Or after that, you can learn the procedure, the deadline by submit an application. The first thing is like what you need to do is to directly contact the university. Imagine, for example, you are interested by the University of Sciences Po, okay, of Paris, or you are interested for Université de Cannes. That's another university in France. What you need to know, you directly go to the university website. If you don't know how to do this, just let me know. I will make another video on how to apply through the institution in France. Okay, so you go directly to that university website, you check the email of the admission, the international student office. Okay, you send them an email to inform them that you are a student from this country, you have this qualifications, okay, and you are interested to apply through the excellent France Excellent Eiffel Scholarship Program at the university. Okay, so they will tell you, okay, these are the documents that you need to provide, because they are the one who will tell you, according to the program and your profile, which document that you need to provide so that you apply. They will also show you how to have access to the application form, because every university has their own application procedure. The mistake that you should not do is that you cannot directly apply to the scholarship using the France Excel scholarship, because if you apply as institution by yourself, they will directly they cannot you cannot even do that. One other thing is that you have not to do is to apply to universities at the same time, because for example, as I said, you like university or Sciences Po, University of Sciences Po Paris, okay, and then at the same time you say that you are applying, for example, Université Montpellier, for example. You see, you send them both application to University of Sciences Po Paris, to University Montpellier. Directly, they are going to reject your application, because if two universities submitted two application for only one candidate, directly that candidate will directly be rejected, because you cannot apply for two universities. That's why it's very, very important to choose which university you are applying for. Even it's very important, for example, to send 2 or 3 email to 3 different application, like 3 different university. However, the decision to apply to one of them will depend now on the application procedure. Which university do you think is easiest to apply, or which one do you think is first priority for you to apply, and why? And then you directly apply to them through the procedure that they will share with you. Never send two applications in 2 different universities, because if you do that, you are going to do your own rejection. Okay, and make sure that if you don't know how to how also to make motivation letters or your CV or anything like to make you stand out, there is a video that I have already shared here on this channel, that with the title "How to Win the Scholarship Committee Heart." Directly you will see how to make your CV. In that video, you how to make your CV, how to convince the committee, and also how to write your motivation letter. If not, you can also directly join my WhatsApp group, okay, using the link in the video description, and ask me question. I provide services on to help you stand out during your application process, like to prepare you for interview, to help you using the motivation letter that you write to make it stand out, to help you without everything, okay, for your CV, how to craft your own CV to make you stand out, because they will be sometime receiving thousands of applications. If your scholarship application is not well done, they will directly reject you, because they have multiple applicants. So you have to be really special, okay. So after you submit your application through the institution, what will be the next thing? So the institution accept and support your application for the France Excellence Scholarship, okay. So if you are accepted by that university, because they are the one who will make the selection, if they select you, they will directly take now all your document and your application form to send it directly to the France Excellent Eiffel Scholarship, okay. So the institution will submit your application online via the dedicated Campus France website, not you, okay. Everything that you should do is to apply to the institution. Don't apply for the scholarship directly. You apply to the institution. In the application form of the institution that they will share with you, you will see Eiffel scholarship. If the university has another scholarship, you will see also that scholarship. For example, if you are applying for the Sciences Po University, Sciences Po University, for example, of Paris, they have 2 scholarship. They will have the Eiffel scholarship, and they will have also the Emile Boutmy Foundation scholarship. So in the application form, you can apply for both of the scholarship. You will see a section where they will ask you questions, and also you respond step by step to those questions, and you submit your application. So it means you have two applications you have only one application for two scholarships in the same university. If, for example, because the Eiffel scholarship is not the scholarship of the university, is the scholarship of the government, they will take your document and send it to the Eiffel scholarship. If not, you will directly get admission for the Emil Butmi Foundation scholarship. Maybe if you do not get the other scholarship, you get the other scholarship. It's very important to choose the university like this. But the mistake that you should not do even or think about is to apply in two different universities using your same application. Because if you do it, as I said, they will directly reject your application without any hesitation. Okay, so that was all for today. I think this video really helped you because I share everything related to the scholarship. If there's anything that you are still wondering how to do it, you can leave a comment under the video description here, like on the comment section, and also join my WhatsApp group. I will try to make sure that I respond to your question to my best to help you throughout your application, scholarship application. I invite you to watch the other video that I have already uploaded on this channel, and also to subscribe and share those videos to some people who might be interested, because if you do it, those videos are going to be recommended to more people, so more people will have access to those scholarship, and also help the channel to grow, to build a greater community. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.